Alrighty, so today we have the Ammo Stilo, the vest unboxing. I'm gonna call it a vest, but the real name for it is the carrier bag. Ammo Stilo, I've been following for probably a couple of months now. Trippie Red, he's always wearing the Clout bag, so that got me into it. And then I just went from there. I liked it, and I don't know. I think they put out good stuff. I think they should put out like a backpack type thing, and then use the straps, the Ammo Stilo straps as the backpack straps. That'd be kind of cool. I think they should also make like some type of pants. I don't know. That's my opinion. They were asking what they should make, and that's just what I would think would be cool. But anyways, let's get into this unboxing now. These are very limited. I'm not sure how much they made, but I know with the green colorway, they're from Philadelphia, so that's why this color is in green. And after Philadelphia won Super Bowl, they beat the Minnesota Vikings. They didn't just beat us, they smacked us. They came to our home and they smacked us, and they threw shit at our fans. Fuck you, Philadelphia, but Ammo Stilo, I really fuck with you. Fuck the Eagles. But anyways, so this green colorway supposedly was for the Eagles winning the Super Bowl, but either way, it looks like some military shit. So let's get into this unboxing. So I think this brand has a lot of potential to grow. Like right now, it's in this really early stages. So and there she goes, boys. And there she is, Ammo Stilo. And it's kind of like an olive greenish, kind of like a woods green. Now, these were actually retailing for $160. So some people were saying that was kind of overpriced, but it does come with two of the straps, and I've had people offer a lot of money just for the straps alone for any Ammo Stilo bag. Because you can wear the straps as anything. You can connect them to like, I don't know, you can connect them to any other bags, because all of Ammo Stilo you can actually clip off the straps and put them onto anything. So you could actually wear it as a belt too if you want to. So, but with this one, it comes with two straps, so that's why the price is just a little bit higher than just the regular Clout bag itself. So let's unbox this bad boy. Let's get her open. I can already feel the straps inside of it, so hell yeah. And another thing about Ammo Stilo is once they say they're gonna ship your shit, they're gonna ship your shit. I DM'd them and I was asking when are they gonna ship. They said this week. I was like, all right. And then 2 days later, it was at my house, and I ordered it like probably 5 days before that. So it's pretty fast in my opinion. Okay, so here we got the bag, and we got the straps that everybody likes. We got one strap right here, two straps, and then there's the inside of the bag, and we have one little pouch, and there's the back side of it. So alrighty, so here are the straps. I like it. The last color were. Let me just go get my other bag and show you guys.
So
this is the first Ammo Stilo I've ever copped. You can tell these straps are yellow right here, and also it clips off. So yeah, we have this Ammo Clout bag. Then now these ones are red. So like I said, I could change these and put them on this bag. That's why I fuck with Ammo Stilo, because these straps are revolutionary. Or you could also flex it and rock it as a belt, because you gotta flex the Ammo Stilo. Like the red little lining right there. And these, I'm guessing these are reflective 3M material. There's one strap, and here is the other strap. Now, you can wear this bag like a normal bag, or you could just do like as the vest. So we're gonna rock it as the vest right now for you guys. So now I have it on. You can you can definitely tighten it up and make it tighter, or you can let it hang if you want. But you know, this is definitely a piece you want to go to like rock with at a concert. You know, flex with it. So yeah, so there you go. You have the Ammo Stilo vest, carrier bag, whatever you want to call it. This shit is dope. Very, very limited. So I also do have one that's gonna be on my girl account, so stay tuned for that. And Ammo Stilo, sponsor your boy. I'm out.